In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change Howdy text in WordPress admin bar. You can easily change the Howdy text on your admin bar. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme gets updated. Then click on Update File. Now, when I go back to the dashboard, you can see that the text was changed. This is how you can change Howdy text in WordPress admin bar. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.